Okay, so in this video, we are going to talk about matrices. So we are going to introduce the concept of matrix. So to start with, we are going to talk about the order. So we are going to talk about the order of matrix. So the order of a matrix is given by row by column. So you are just saying row by column. You are not multiplying the digits, the number of digits for a row and the number of digits for a column, but you're just stating to say it is this one by this one. So let's look at an example. So the first question is state the order of the following matrices. So for A we have 3, 2, 1, and we have down bottom we have 4, 0, -3. So what is the order of this matrix? So the order of the matrix is given by row by column. So row by column, and then the rows are these which are going this side in this form. Then the columns are these which are in this form, the vertical ones. So the horizontal ones, they are columns, they are rows. Then the vertical ones, they are columns. So the order of this matrix, we have how many rows? We have 1 and 2. So we have 2 rows and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. So the order is given by 2 by 3. So you don't say 2 by 3 then is equal to 6. No, you don't apply. So you just state the order, and that's all. So for B, we are stating the order for this matrix. So this matrix is 6, 2, 1. So what is its order? So we just have 1 row and 3 columns. So it is given by the order is equal to 1 by 3. So that's the order of that matrix. And for this one, we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order is 2 by 2. Let's move on to transposing a matrix. So transposing a matrix, for example, when the order of a matrix was 2 by 4, then its transpose will be 4 by 2. So it's just becoming the other way around. So let's look at an example. So given that matrix A is 3, now state its order. So state the order of this matrix. So the order of this matrix, it's 1 by 1. There is 1 row and 1 column. So the order of this matrix is 1 by 1. That's why on the solution you can see that matrix A order is 1 by 1. And then state the order of this matrix B, so which is 1, 6, 0. So the order of this matrix is 1 row, 3 columns. So the matrix B order is 1 by 3. And then we have matrix C. So matrix C is 1, 3, 9, 0, 6. So what is its order? So we have 1 column, 1 row, and how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this order is given by 1 by 5. So this is the order of matrix A, order of matrix B, and order of matrix C. So let's look at the transpose of these matrix A, B, C respectively. So transpose of matrix A, it is 3. It doesn't change. That's how it is. There was 1 by 3. So it was 1 by 1, for matrix A. For matrix A, it was by 1 by 1. So we change it the other way around. It also becomes 1 by 1. So it is the transpose here. So let's look at this one. transpose of matrix B. So transpose of matrix B, how is it going to look like? So matrix B, we are just going to shift it like this, so it will stand upright. So move it clockwise, so it will become 160, moving down. So the order for matrix B, it was 1 by 3, but now its transpose, it will be 3 by 1. So there will be 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, and 1 row. I mean 3 rows and 1 column. And then let's look at the transpose of matrix C. So matrix C, it had an order of 1 by 5. So which means it had 1 row and 5 columns. But now in this case, it is going to have 5 rows and 1 column. So it means it has now 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 column. So that is all that we can talk about this. So what I might just want you to look at is to find the order and transpose of this matrix. So we have 2, 3, 4, and we have 1, 5, 6. So find the order, and then you find the transpose. So you find the transpose of A and find the order of this A. So you will send your answers after solving.